welcome back to my channel. This video is the second installment in my United Kingdom vlogs from when I was there for work last year. I just wanted to make a quick disclaimer statement saying that I abided by all the UK's guidelines that were in place during that time, and during that time I had off between working. I was able to sightsee and also meet up with a dear friend of mine for some of my adventures. Other than that, I traveled alone, tested negative multiple times, and was always wearing a mask and socially distancing. I hope you enjoy this video and don't forget to watch my previous London vlog. As I was leaving from London to Bath, I waited till the last minute to pack. Don't be like me, please. That was so stressful. I have no idea. This was my first time riding any kind of train for an actual purpose, and I totally messed it up. That's funny. So where I messed up is that I was supposed to take the tube, and then from the tube to the Paddington station, and then Paddington station all the way to Bath Spa, but what I messed up I thought that that was my first stop, was the Fenchurch Street, because that's like what it showed on my ticket, but it's actually like the tube, so don't make that mistake. Even though I missed the tube, I was able to catch a taxi to Paddington. I made it to Paddington, which is the right station. I'm gonna go get on my train. So I was actually really excited to take this train, and I heard it was like a really beautiful train ride. The countryside was super beautiful, and there was no one in my carriage, which was pretty cool. Really enjoyed that. The bathroom was disgusting though. So I just successfully arrived in Bath. Bath is an absolutely stunning city. Got a taxi. This is the flat that I'm staying in. There's like a nice little park over there. Oh dear God. There's stairs. No. Oh shit. Oh no. If I'm on the third floor, I'm gonna die. This is gonna be horrible. Oh no. I am so fucked. Oh wow. This is nice. Yeah. Just gonna be a bitch getting my luggage up here. I'm so done for. Oh yeah. This is great. This is awesome. The light in here is amazing. This will be great for photos. Woo! So I think I'm gonna try to go see the Roman baths if they're open. Baths, the Roman baths, as the English would call it. I'm gonna go get some dinner, get some drone footage, hang out, chill, you know. So I'm really happy that I decided to go to the Roman baths. You have to book tickets ahead of time per current restrictions going on. I'm not sure if that's changed since I've been there. I know restrictions have gotten a lot more strict since then, but if you have a chance to see the Roman baths or just go to Bath in general, I highly recommend it. It was such a beautiful experience, and I'm super into history and stuff, so it was really, really cool to be able to see this, especially Roman history. Like, I'm a total nerd for Roman history, so being able to see that was like super freaking cool. And I was able to get some souvenirs from the gift shop to give to my family and ship home, so that was really nice. And then after that I went and I grabbed some dinner and just kind of walked and saw the sights a little bit and did a little bit of shopping. So I ended up picking up like a really cool dress. Got my little workout in, had some wonderful dinner, about to hop in the shower and then watch some freaking Netflix, because Enola Holmes just came out. There's also like another cool show on Netflix and I'm really excited. Woo! Let's go. So this morning I'm going to Stonehenge and I'm really excited to see it because I'm so close in where I'm staying in Bath. I wanted to go see Stonehenge, so yeah, I'm excited to check it out. It was about an hour from Bath to Stonehenge and the drive was really pretty. Alright guys, I made it to Stonehenge and I'm really excited to see it. I had to pre-book a ticket. I'm really enjoying like all these like really cool experiences that I've been able to do. I'm gonna put my headphones away. But yeah, I'm just really thankful because it's so cool, honestly. So Stonehenge is probably the world's most famous prehistoric monument. If you get a chance to see it during a UK trip, I absolutely recommend that you do. It was built around 5,000 years ago, and the unique stone circle was erected in the late Neolithic period around 2500 BC, which is really freaking cool. Unfortunately, due to vandalism, you cannot get that close to the stones, but it was really, really interesting just to look at it and just see such a huge reminder of where humanity began. After that, I went and got some food, did a little bit of shopping, and Bath is definitely just a really cool vibe in general. Well, hello! I just got my pizza, which is my dinner tonight. Some pizza, got some garlic knots. What else did I get? Oh, a Caesar salad, and I'm really excited to eat it. Good morning. So we're going to do a shoot today. My friend Vanilla is here and I'm so excited. This is the cute little dress I bought from Jigsaw. Morning, beautiful people. I'm currently in Bath, Somerset with my beautiful friend Vanilla.
Hello.
And she's gonna just tell you a little bit about herself.
Hey everybody, so I am a conscious creator from the UK and we're going to be creating together. I'm really looking forward to it. We're going to be sharing everything on our social media, so we're going to leave the links down below.
Alright, See ya. All right, so we are off to go shoot in this like really cool park area, and I'm kind of going for this like cottagecore look. I found this gorgeous little spot in a park called Prior Park Gardens, and it was like a little bit of a walk, like a slight hike, but it was a gorgeous place to shoot some content, and we took some beautiful photos and video and shot some content of each other. Okay. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Do you want portrait or landscape? Portrait. Okay. Yeah. 3, 2, 1, go. Yep, cool. I don't think a lot of people understand how much work does go into being a content creator, and being able to just meet with somebody who is a dear friend of mine that's also a content creator and understands like how much goes into it and what to kind of do behind the scenes was really, really nice. So we had a wonderful time together. I'm so happy she came with me, and it was just a blast. We had so much fun. After that, we went and grabbed some afternoon tea, some lunch, and had a wonderful time doing that. Had a great time eating some dinner. She's vegan, I'm not, but we had so much fun together. And then after that, we booked an appointment with the Thermae Bath Spa, which is a must if you come to Bath, and it was definitely really worth it. Super cool. They only have a certain amount of people in there at a time, and it was really fun. After that, we immediately hopped in the car and went to Bristol. This is our lovely Airbnb in Bristol for the next couple of days. Nice little 2-bed. We have our own bathrooms. Where's the light? Where's the light? What's with the heated towel racks here? Where the heck is this light though? It's right there. Nice little bathroom. We went to the thermal spa this morning, which was really cool. It's really nice. High ceilings in here. As you guys can see, I got curtain bangs. Very impulsive decision. Went to this super cute salon yesterday called Glitch in Bristol, where we're currently staying. And it was super cool and a really awesome experience, and actually really cheap compared to what I pay normally in the States for similar hair. And it was like only 90 pounds, and the conversion rate, I'm probably around like $120, maybe. I'm not too sure about that, but yeah, it was really nice. And then we're gonna go grab some lunch, hopefully at like a really cute restaurant, and then take some pictures and stuff in Clifton area. And there's like these really cool pastel houses and stuff, so we're hopefully gonna go check that out as well. Bristol had such a cool, artistic, unique kind of hippie vibe. Like there was a lot of vintage shopping, a lot of really cool restaurants and stuff. This one was really nice. Fenella is really familiar with this area because she's actually from the UK, but we went around and saw a bunch of art, got some ice cream. She took me around to see some of the sites. It's really nice to be able to see the world kind of from a local perspective. The next day, we missed our flight to Edinburgh, Scotland. So we just missed our flight. It's my fault. But we're gonna get a train instead to Edinburgh. Oh, I just wanna die. It ended up working out. We had a beautiful train ride from Bristol station to Edinburgh directly. It was around a 6-hour train ride, and it was beautiful up until the sun went down. We got a bunch of work done on our computers and stuff, and we're just chilling, hanging out, eating some food. And I can't wait to show you guys the Scotland vlog that's coming. So it's been a 6-hour train ride, and we are getting super close to Edinburgh. Lovely train ride. We traveled in first class, so it was really nice. There's been no one else in the carriage, which has been really cool. Ate way too many snacks. Kind of bummed we didn't get to see the countryside and stuff as we were like traveling through, because the sun went down. Decided to see Edinburgh in the morning and see our cute little Airbnb, because it should have like a lot of like really nice natural light. The weather in Edinburgh should be pretty good as far as I've seen this week. Oh, no wonder we could be in first class. It's because there was no one else on the train. Look at that. You get it? Uh-oh. What's in here? Oh. Let's see.
That's another room I didn't know about.
Ooh, yes. I love it. this lovely bedroom, which is really pretty. We also have this other bedroom, which is gorgeous too, and a beautiful bathroom. Like, oh my god. Thank you guys so much for watching. The next vlog that you will see is my Scotland vlog. Hopefully I will get that edited today and get that uploaded at least by tomorrow. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below.